Let me teach you how to pump a balloon. First, you need an inflator and a balloon. You need to stretch first before you pump. And just pump it. First, of course, you need to put the nozzle here on the opening section and pump it. One thing for sure, of course, you need to stretch it again, just like this. Stretch it, but not too much. Just stretch it. Now, how to tie a knot in this balloon? First, you need to stretch this part. Hold this using your thumb and index finger. And secondly, you need to, of course, hold this using your ring finger, and using your right hand, you need to twist this around here. Okay? So that you can put this nostril around here so that it will tie it up. Okay? Got it? And that's the proper way how to tie a balloon. Okay? Hope you got that. Thank you.